EasyPress card replacement. When selecting the correct EasyPress unit and replacement card, it's important to note that each controller has different performances. Number 1 has a 2.2 bar cut-in, which is red. Number 2 has a 1.5 bar cut-in, which is blue. And number 3 has a 0.8 bar cut-in, which is yellow. All control options are also indicated by the color coordination in the back. Remove the 4 screws from the outer cover. Then remove the cover. Disconnect the power cables, starting at the bottom, which is the mains coming in. Number 1 is the live. Number 2 is neutral. And number 3 is the earth. Moving on to the pump cables. Number 4 is the earth. Number 5 is neutral. And number 6 is the live of the pump. To remove the card, identify the 2 screws. Take out the 2 screws to replace the card. Put the replacement card in place. Reintroduce the 2 screws. Ensuring they are connected correctly, retighten the screws. Replace the cables. Number 1, 2 and 3 is your power coming in. Numbers 4, 5 and 6 are for your pump. Number 1 is your live. Number 2 is your neutral. Number 3 is your earth for your incoming power. Number 4 is your earth. Number 5 is your neutral. And number 6 is your live for the pump. Replace the outer cover in place. And then replace the 4 screws. To restart the device, please ensure that your power and water are connected. Then press start to reactivate the pump. Do not fit a pressure-reducing valve close to the central unit, as it may cause water hammering. Please ensure the pressure vessel is fitted after the cold water outlet of the multi-boost. Please check that the correct pressure is set in the vessel.
EPS, Rethinking Water.